In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open up your Toyota Sequoia key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process, but you will need one of these CR2032 batteries to get it done. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to pick one up online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, you may have a 3-button version of this. I have the 4-button. This particular device comes in a couple different configurations. It doesn't matter which one you have, just if it kind of looks like this. It's got the circular 2 buttons there, just the oval shaped fob. It's the same exact procedure, same battery and everything, so just follow along with me. Now, we open this up by looking at where the key ring attaches here. You can see there is like a little slot in the plastic there. Going to use a regular flathead screwdriver or a coin if you prefer, and we're going to insert it into that slot and twist. That will open this thing up, and you can just pull out this little rubber component in there. Or you might open it up the other way. Probably better to do it this way, so just have the back facing up and then lift this off, and then the battery will be right there for you, and you won't have to put this all back together. So from here, we're just going to slide the battery out with our thumb and remove it with our fingers. It's very easy to do. Once more, this is a CR2032 battery, and if you don't know where to find that, check the link in the description, and make sure you're putting the new battery in positive side up. So just slide that back in. Slide that in there. You want to see the plus sign facing up, and all we need to do now is click the 2 halves together, or if you did it the other way, say it all fell apart on you, you're just going to take this little rubber component and set that right on top so it matches up with these holes, and then click the back on there. That is all it takes. I hope that was a help to you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on this YouTube channel for pretty much every device from every maker model, and you can also see those and more information directly on our website, fobbattery.com. So go ahead and check those out, and have a good day.